Kia ora team, my name's Ben and today we're going to go over the bony landmarks of the tibia and the fibula. So when we look at these two bones, this big thick one here is our tibia and the littler one on the outside is your fibula. So the way I remember is the fibula is the la little bone and it's la lateral. Okay, so let's get that down just so we know what we're doing. Okay, oops, tibia. Okay, then when we're looking at our tibia, let's start at the top. Yeah, good. It could have been the head, but the fibula has a head, which is a kind of roundish bump, which is a head. But the tibia, it bears the weight of the shin, so it comes out, and when it thickens out at the top, they're called condyles. So when bones bear a lot of weight and then they get thick so they don't crack, they're called condyles. So we've got two condyles on either side.
Lateral is on the fibula.
Good. And so lateral would be on the fibula side. So we found that. Lateral condyle of the tibia is beside the fibula, which means our medial condyle is on the other side. Then we've got this little bump up here. So something that emanates, something that rises up is an eminence, and it's between the condyles. So intercondylar eminence. So because inter means between, like an international flight goes between two countries, eminence rises up and is between the condyles. So the reason we got this bump is because our anterior and posterior cruciate insert onto that bump. So it gets a bit thicker to absorb the force. Then we got a big bump. So a big bump is a tuberosity, and it's on what bone? So let's call it tibial tuberosity. Gorgeous. Okay, then we've got this this crest. So a long bony ridge is a crest, like on top of the ilium. So it's in the front, so anterior crest. Okay, then down the bottom, so this is where our ankle would be, and the bumpity bits on the ankle, so these ones here and here, are called our malleoli. The tibia has a malleoli, our malleolus rather, and the fibula has a malleolus. So we know the fibula is the la little bone on the la lateral side. Lateral malleolus. So therefore the tibia must have the medial malleolus. Gorgeous. And then the weight of the body goes through the tibia, and under here is where it hits down on the foot. So that's our inferior articular surface. Boom, and we're done.